Google just released a model that cuts output tokens by up to 65% on complex coding tasks. That number doesn't just save you money. It changes the game for every builder running AI agents right now. If you're building high-volume workflows, this is the difference between a profitable product and a runaway cloud bill. So, how does raw efficiency beat the arms race for intelligence? It beats the arms race by shifting the metric from peak intelligence to usable velocity. While others burn cash on bigger brains, you win by running more loops faster for less. You probably think the only way to get smarter AI is to buy bigger models, more parameters, higher scores. But Google is proving the real value isn't in the brain size, it's in the bill. Think of your AI stack like a logistics network. You have the luxury prototype gathering data. Slow, expensive, good for research. Then you have the daily driver, the workhorse, the one that hauls cargo across the city without burning cash. That's the Flash tier. Google dropped 3 models, Flash, Flash Lite, and Flash Cyber. But the headline is Flash. It's the workhorse. It handles heavy lifting without the premium price tag. Flash Lite is the economy option for light tasks. Flash Cyber is the armored variant for sensitive data. But Flash is the one you need today. But here's where the math gets weird. The win isn't just a lower sticker price. Google engineered a 17% average cut in output tokens on the deep SWE coding benchmark. That cut climbs to a massive 65%. Deep SWE is the benchmark where models solve real code issues. You pay per token. Every word the model writes costs you cash. Most models write too much. They ramble. They over-explain. They waste your budget on words that don't matter. Flash is trained to stop talking when it's done. It's concise. That conciseness is the money saver. Fewer tokens for the same answer compounds across millions of calls. For builders running high-volume agent loops, that's the difference between a sustainable product and a runaway cloud bill. While rivals like Claude and Gemini lean into generic pricing wars, Google's bet sidesteps the noise entirely. DeepMind's engineering focus on token efficiency ensures you get the fastest turnaround for the tasks that actually move your product forward. This isn't just a discount, it's a different way to build. And that's not even the strange part. In a second, I'll show you the specific workflow where this efficiency turns into a superpower for builders. Google designed this specifically for agentic workflows, where an AI fires off dozens of steps. A chatbot asks a question. An agent does a job. A job has steps. Step 1, search. Step 2, analyze. Step 3, code. Step 4, verify. If each step uses a bloated model, the cost explodes. Flash keeps the loop tight. It handles multimodal inputs and coding reliability while maintaining lower latency. When an agent fires off dozens of steps, each step costs time and tokens. A fast, efficient model driving that loop means you get work done without watching the meter spike. It's not about writing a novel. It's about moving data, checking APIs, routing tasks reliably. This is the infrastructure for the next generation of software. And it's built on efficiency. You want your agents to move fast. Flash gives you that speed. Speed is money in the agent game, but there's a catch. And in a moment, I'll reveal the one scenario where you should absolutely not use this model. The pricing undercuts premium tiers, but the Flash tier trades peak reasoning for speed and cost. It won't out-reason a top-end flagship on the hardest, most nuanced problems. That's not its job. Its job is to be the cost-effective default for the vast majority of tasks. If you're asking it to solve a novel physics problem, use the flagship. If you're asking it to refactor a function, use Flash. The catch is, you still need supervision for complex reasoning. The mistake builders make is using the wrong tool for the job, or worse, waiting for the right tool and missing the window. The twist is that the expected flagship, Gemini 3.5 Pro, is still stuck in limited partner testing. Google is essentially saying the next leap in raw intelligence is still cooking. The verified roadmap points toward the next generation Gemini 4 architecture. But you can't build on a roadmap, you build on what's here. Flash is here, it's reliable, it's cheap, it's ready. Don't wait for the perfect model. Ship the workhorse. The payoff is clear. Gemini 3.6 Flash proves that for high-volume agent loops and daily builders, a 65% token cut and predictable costs beat a delayed flagship every time. This turns AI efficiency into your immediate competitive advantage. Takeaway: in the age of agents, the smartest model isn't the biggest one. It's the one that lets you run the most loops for the least cash. If you want to see how the security-hardened Flash Cyber variant compares to the standard Flash for sensitive workflows, hit subscribe and watch this next, because that armored truck might just save your data. That's the full picture. If this made it click, tap subscribe. There's a new AI explainer here every day, and tap the video on screen to keep going. See you in the next one.